This is 205 Grinders Mill in Columbia, South Carolina. Exterior front view. This is the neighborhood view, 360. Okay, now we will go to the exterior right side. Exterior right side looks in pretty good condition. In good condition, that is. The roof looks good. The fireplace like has a little rust up top. Front porch looks good. Here's the exterior left side. Look like it needs a little work in the wood. Some wood damage there. A little more wood damage right here. And we'll move on to the rear of the property. Spacious backyard. And we have a screened porch here. Looking at the ceiling, it appears to be in decent condition. Appear that they've done some work here before. And here's your HVAC. Look like they've upgraded the HVAC system for this property. And now we'll move on into the interior of the property. Before going inside, we'll take another look at the porch. Nice sized porch. Now we'll head on in. Storm door. This is your entrance where you walk into the living room area here. No lighting. From what I can tell, the ceiling looks good. Fireplace. And we'll move on down to the dining room. It's good. Paint doesn't look bad. And we'll move on to the left in the kitchen. Here you have your dishwasher, the gas stove, refrigerator, island. Appears they've had some ceiling work done there before, but still no signs of leakage. And we'll move on to the right side of the property where we have the laundry room, hot water heater. Appears they've done a little work here in the ceiling, but no signs of ceiling damage. We have one of the half bath. Ceiling looks good. We have another bedroom. It looks good. Maybe a little paint needed. Here we have the 2-car garage. Appears that there has been some ceiling work done before in here, but no fresh leakage from what I can tell. we're heading on upstairs. Carpet appears to be a little worn. This is one of your full baths. Looks good. Tub shower. Another bedroom. Appears to be your master bedroom. Tray ceilings. Master bath. One vanity. Tub shower. Sink. Actually has separate vanity here. Now we'll move on to the third bedroom. Thing looks good. Carpet looks good. And your fourth bedroom. Ceiling looks good. Paint looks good. And carpet looks good. This will conclude this tour.